How to properly weld a roll cage. Have you ever wondered how race car drivers stay safe during high-speed crashes? The secret often lies in a well-constructed roll cage. Knowing how to properly weld a roll cage is essential for ensuring safety in high-risk professions like race car driving. Let's break down the steps you need to follow for a strong and reliable roll cage. First, you need to select the right materials. Most roll cages are made from drawn over mandrel steel tubing. A common size is 1.5 inches in outer diameter with a wall thickness of about 0.095 inches. This material strikes a good balance between strength and ease of welding. Next, you will want to choose your welding method. The two most popular techniques are tungsten inert gas welding and metal inert gas welding. Tungsten inert gas welding is often preferred for its precision and clean welds. Metal inert gas welding is faster and easier, especially for mild steel cages. Regardless of the method, it is vital to ensure thorough weld penetration and fusion to avoid weak points. Now, let's talk about preparation and fit-up. It is critical to cut and miter the tubes accurately. This ensures tight joints with minimal gaps. Start by tacking the cage together to hold its shape before moving on to final welding. Avoid welding directly to the vehicle floor, as it can tear away during a crash. Instead, weld the cage to the vehicle's boxed sills or reinforced frame sections for better strength. When it comes to welding technique, adjust your welding gun or torch angle based on the joint angles. For joints at 90 degrees, 45 degrees, or 30 degrees, make sure you have full penetration. For metal inert gas welding, the placement of the nozzle inside the joint is crucial to avoid poor fusion. Sometimes, you may need to increase the welding heat if the gun tip cannot reach deeply into tight angles. Quality is key when it comes to welds. They should be continuous and free from defects like cracks or porosity. After welding, visually inspect the joints and, if possible, use non-destructive testing methods to confirm their integrity. The order in which you weld matters too. Often, you will partially weld certain sections of the cage and then adjust them before completing the final welds. This helps maintain the cage's geometry and fitment within the vehicle. In high-risk jobs like race car driving, logging, or storm chasing, the welding must meet strict safety standards. A poorly welded cage can lead to catastrophic failure, increasing the risk of injury. Therefore, it is best to have skilled welders with experience in roll cage fabrication perform this work, using the right equipment and techniques. To summarize, properly welding a roll cage involves selecting the right materials, using appropriate welding methods, ensuring precise fit-up, applying correct welding techniques, and thoroughly inspecting the welds. This process is vital for safety in high-risk professions where survival depends on the strength and reliability of the roll cage.